Hi everyone. Today we will solve the weekly contest 484. So the first question is count residue prefixes. So the given is you are given a string S consisting only of lowercase English letters. A prefix of S is called a residue if the number of distinct characters in the prefix is equals to length of prefix modulo 3. And we have to return the count of the prefix in S. And prefix is basically the non-empty substring which is starting from the zeroth index. And so we need to find the number of prefix so that the number of distinct character in that prefix should be equals to length of prefix modulo 3. So we'll try to understand this. We have to given the distinct characters. So we can think of using the map in it because map will give us the frequency of the distinct characters. Then yeah, and then we will see the constraint. Constraint is s dot length is from 1 to 100. So the constraint is very small, so we don't need to optimize it, and we can just use the brute force approach. So what I did is I used the unordered map char int. Char I use because we need to store the character, and then I looped from zeroth index to the end of the index, and I'm storing the character to that map, and uh, then I'm trying to find the distinct character in the map by using the map dot size. Then if that distinct character is equals to the length of the string will be I plus 1 because we are starting from the zeroth index and prefix is always started from the zeroth index. So our length will be I plus 1 modulo 3. If this is equal, then we can increment our answer and then we can return it. So if I will submit it, yeah, it got submitted. Now moving to the second question. Number of centered subarray. You are given an integer array nums. A subarray of num is called centered if the sum of its element is equals to at least one element within that same subarray. And we need to return the centered subarray of nums. Subarray is a contiguous non-empty sequence of elements within an array. Subarray is basically non-contiguous, non-empty sequence of element. Like we can't break it. Just like if we will start from the zeroth index, we can't escape this index and we can move to this index. We need to it should be contiguous non-empty sequence. Then I need to find the sum of its element is equal to its. So that I need to find the total subarrays, and in that subarray, the sum of the element in that subarray is equal to at least one element in that subarray. So what I did is I will and we'll see the constraint. Constraint is nums dot length is from 1 to 500. So this constraint is also is very less, so we can easily use n square. So if I will go to the solution, we'll loop from 0 to n and we'll declare a variable sum and use the unordered map. We are using unordered map because we need to search for this at least one element within that same subarray. To know if that subarray is having that element, we are using the map. So we'll start from ith index to n and we'll add that into the we'll try to add the element from ith index. So I will add in the map as well. Then if that sum is not equals to mp dot n, that means that that sum is present in that subarray. Then I can increment it, then I can return the answer. I will try to submit it. It got submitted. Now moving to the third question. Third question is you are given an array words of n strings. Each string has length m and contain only lowercase English letters. Two string S and T are similar if we can apply the following operation any number of times, possibly 0 times. So we need to make the S and T equal. We can apply the operation any number of times. What is the operation? We need to choose either S or T, and we can replace every letter in the chosen string with the next letter in the alphabet cyclically. Like if for the Z, it will be A, the next character. Then we need to count the number of pair of indices I comma j such that j should be greater than I, and जो words of I and words of j रहेगा that should be similar. Return an integer denoting the number of pairs. So अपने पास like दो word दिए हैं in words fusion and layout. We need to find the number of pairs जिससे ये दोनों जो word है that will number of pairs बताने हैं ताकि like if we will consider this example, there are two element in this. If we will try to find if they are the if we can make it similar um, by changing the character. So if we will choose the fusion and we will try to increment every character, then we can get the layout in after sixth operation. So we can say we have the one pair. So the answer is 1. So what basically I did in this solution, we have declared the long answer and words, and we have defined the difference unordered map string comma int. So we'll traverse through words, and like we have seen in this example, like we are traversing through these words vector, and and from that words vector, inside of that we are traversing through the element of that word. So in our case it is like 0th index, the element is fusion. So we will what we will do, we will loop from the 1th index to the last index in this fusion word. So it will start from 0th word to nth, and what we are doing, we are trying to find the difference. Like if you will do u minus f, s minus u, I minus s, o minus I, and n minus o. So we'll try to find out this difference, and then we will after, like I will do u minus f. So whatever will come, I will change that to character, and I will add in this string. Then in the same way, I will add this s minus u will come, some value will come. In that, I will make it character and I will add that in s. So when I will get this whole string, like this s I will get, then I will store that string in a map, string comma int map. So basically we are doing this because like it is given that we can do as many operation we want to do, and we can change the characters by one. We can move every character to the next of its element. So like अगर ये f को अगर अपन को f को change करना है to g, then we need to change all its element. अगर all elements को भी change करेंगे तो जो difference रहेगा that should be same only, because एक ऑपरेशन में अपन को सारे एलिमेंट्स को चेंज करना है. वी कांट चेंज ओनली वन एलिमेंट. तो अगर सारे एलिमेंट्स को चेंज कर रहे हैं तो उसके इसमें भी जो डिफरेंस रहेगा वो तो सेम ही रहेगा. सो वी आर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड दैट डिफरेंस. वो डिफरेंस से अपन स्ट्रिंग बनाएंगे, एंड दैट स्ट्रिंग वी विल स्टोर इन दैट मैप. तो अगर जो मैप में स्ट्रिंग स्टोर किया है देन वी विल लूप थ्रू दैट स्ट्रिंग. अब जो लाइक जो एक कैरेक्टर आया है लाइक वी विल गेट लेआउट दैट फ्रीक्वेंसी इन frequency we will get layout and its frequency we will get 3. So what we will do, we can loop through this diff map and we will try to get the frequency. Frequency will be it dot second because the int is in the second position. Then what we will do, we will add, we will try to find the, like if there is 3, so how many combination we will, how many pairs we will get? We will get 3 into 2 divided by 2 equals to 3. 3 pairs we will